Hey guys, just want to talk about how where the Trinity is where the Trinity is. That's where we are too. Jesus is where his Abba is, which is where Abba is. Like they exist in the same place, in the same space. They're within one another. They occupy the same headquarters, known as heaven and earth. And Holy Spirit occupies the same space too. And we occupy the same headquarters. We're all seated together in the very body of Jesus Christ, the man, the God man. The fullness of the Godhead exists inside of Jesus Christ's body, and the fullness of the Godhead exists within our bodies too. Wow, we're all seated in a posture of rest together in heaven on Abba's lap inside of him. Just like Jesus is inside of him as the only begotten Son. Now we are inside of Abba as created sons and partakers of the uncreated Son, almost as if we're uncreated sons and daughters. In the same place that they are, we are. It's the same place that they are. They're within each other. Like, that's so crazy. Like just imagine me, or imagine Jesus, you know? I'm looking for a picture of Jesus. I got lots of them around, but um, little Jesus there, playing with Saint Teresa or something, and Mary. But imagine one person, and all persons are in that one person. Like me sitting here. Imagine you inside of me, and then but it's like you're just looking at me, but you look in my eyes and you see everyone else. You see that they're all inside of me. Like, that's what the family of God is like. That's what we're like. Made in that image. We're all inside of each other, just like the Trinity's all inside of each other, because we're made in their image. How like they're all inside each other, and we're just not all. We're not all not just inside of each other, like just each other, but also inside of the Trinity. Just like there's now the Trinity fills us. We fill the Trinity, we fill each other, and we're all seated and located on the throne of God. It looks just like one man Jesus is seated there at the highest height of all existence, beyond everything, yet swallowing up everything. And he's like lit up in the glory of his Abba, filled with his glory, lit up, shining, bright, brighter than all suns combined. In Holy Spirit communion. It's the love of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. That's what God is. A love dance, a love hug, a love kiss, a love embrace, a love union, friendship, fellowship, sharing the same space, occupying the same space as one another, sharing life with one another, filling one another. Jesus fills Abba, Abba fills Jesus, Holy Spirit fills them, we fill them, they fill us, we fill each other. It's all in this joyful river dance of love. River dance. Whoa. There's no judgment, there's no shadow of turning there. All is just pure knowing, and just everyone is precious and tender and amazing and sweet and fully provided for, fully beloved, fully loving, fully all is love, all is well, all is complete, all is harmonious, blissful, peaceful, and beautiful, intoxicating, and free, unconditional, limitless love. Beloved, I love you guys. I'm in you, you're in me, we're in the Trinity, they're in us. We're all seated on Abba's lap in the body of Jesus, all as one being with infinite persons, or however many persons there will be, or there are. Probably go on forever, but who knows? Glory, I love you guys. You're beloved. Bye. Bye.